How long will it take me to make the Sophie Scarf by PetiteKnit? In this video, I'll show you the process from begin to end and give you hourly updates. Let's begin. For the yarn, I chose a blend of cotton and merino wool. Since this is a present for my mom's birthday, I needed the perfect yarn for her, and this yarn doesn't itch. I used 3.5mm knitting needles as recommended. She offers two different sizes, one that goes up to 28 stitches and one that goes up to 33. I chose the bigger size. This is the first half-hour update. It wasn't very productive, but this is what I got done in the first 30 minutes. Well, filming isn't really helping with knitting more quickly, but it's okay. Welcome to 1 hour update. This is how far I've gotten in 1 hour. I'll now have some lunch and do some schoolwork, and then I'll get back to it. So the last time I was actually too busy with doing schoolwork and other work, so I didn't really have time to do any more. But today I did 1 hour of knitting again. This is how far I've gotten after 3 hours, so I'm almost halfway there. So let's see if in 3 hours it's finished. Right now I'm exactly halfway there, and I have 33 stitches cast on, so I'm making the bigger size of the two. So this is the result after 4 hours of knitting.
So
it's already the next day. I've done 5 hours of knitting. I hope I can finish this within 3 hours. Well, yesterday I wanted to finish it, but I ended up dividing it in 3 blocks of 20 minutes, so that's okay. See you later. So this is the result after 6 hours of knitting. I'm almost there. I think I need about 40 minutes and then I'm finished. This is the result after 7 hours of knitting. I really like it. Let me know how long it took you to make this scarf. I'm really interested. And let me know if this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.